Students, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will discuss about questions answers of chapter 9, that is Reproduction in Animals. इस वीडियो में मैं explanation वाले क्वेश्चंस को हिंदी में भी समझा दूंगी ताकि आप क्वेश्चंस को ठीक से समझ पाओ और उसके आंसर को सही तरीके से लिख पाओ। So first question is explain the importance of reproduction in organisms. It means organisms में जो reproduction होता है उसके importance को explain करो. So answer is reproduction is important as first point the organisms reproduce to produce young ones like them. Second point it helps to carry on their generation. Third point reproduction is very important for the existence of life on the earth. Now second question describe the process of fertilization in human beings. It means ह्यूमन बींग्स में जो फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रोसेस होता है उसको डिस्क्राइब करो. सो आंसर द फर्स्ट स्टेप इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन इज द फ्यूजन ऑफ अ स्पर्म एंड एन ओवम. व्हेन स्पर्म्स कम इन कांटेक्ट विद एन ओवम और एग, one of the sperms may fuse with the egg. Such fusion of the egg and the sperm is called fertilization. Now next question, choose the most appropriate answer. इस क्वेश्चन में appropriate answer को चूज करके आपको लिखना है. So first question is internal fertilization occurs. First option in female body, second option outside female body, third option in male body, fourth option outside male body. Answer will be in female body. Next question, a tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of first option fertilization, second option metamorphosis, third option embedding, fourth option budding. Answer will be metamorphosis. Next question, the number of nuclei present in zygote is first option none, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option 4. Answer will be 1. Now question number 4, indicate whether the following statements are true or false. इसमें आपको statement true है या false है वो लिखना है. आपके बुक में false statement को true में लिखने नहीं कर रहा है, लेकिन मैं true statement भी लिख दे रही हूँ क्योंकि कभी-कभी टीचर्स पूछ देते हैं तो आप आराम से लिख सकते हो. ओके, so first statement is oviparous animals give birth to young ones. This statement is false and correct statement will be viviparous animals give birth to young ones. Now next statement, each sperm is a single cell. This statement is true. Next statement, external fertilization takes place in frog. This statement is true. Next statement, a new human individual develops from a cell. This statement is false and correct statement will be a new human individual develops from a zygote. Next statement, egg laid after fertilization is made up of a single cell. This statement is false and correct statement will be egg laid after fertilization is made up of many cells. Next statement, amoeba reproduces by budding. This statement is false and correct statement will be amoeba reproduces by binary fission. Next statement, fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction. This statement is false and correct statement will be fertilization is necessary only in sexual reproduction. Now next statement, binary fission is a method of asexual reproduction. This statement is true. Next statement, a zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. This statement is true. Next statement, an embryo is made up of a single cell. This statement is false. Correct statement will be an embryo is made up of many cells. Now next question, give two differences between a zygote and a fetus. It means zygote और fetus के बीच में दो differences को लिखना है. For this you have to draw two columns. In first column you have to write points for zygote and in second column you have to write points for fetus. So first point for zygote is fusion of male and female gamete leads to the formation of zygote. For fetus, the stage of embryo in which all the body parts can be identified is called fetus. Now second point for zygote, it is developed inside the oviduct. For fetus, it is developed inside the uterus. Now third point for zygote, it contains two cells. For fetus, it contains many cells. And you can write any 2 points. Now question number 6, define asexual reproduction. Describe two methods of asexual reproduction in animals. It means asexual reproduction के definition को लिखना है और साथ में animal में होने वाले asexual reproduction के two methods को describe करना है. So definition of asexual reproduction, Asexual reproduction is that type of reproduction in which only single parent is involved. Now first method, budding. New individuals develop from the buds. This type of asexual reproduction is called budding. Example in Hydra. Now second method, binary fission. Binary fission occurs when a parent cell splits into two identical daughter cells of the same size. Example in amoeba. Now question number 7. In which female reproductive organ does the embryo get embedded? It means किस female reproductive organ में embryo चिपका रहता है? Answer, embryo gets embedded in the uterus. Now next question. What is metamorphosis? Give examples. It means metamorphosis का definition लिखना है और examples लिखना है. The transformation of the larva into an adult through drastic changes is called metamorphosis. Examples, grasshoppers, spiders, frogs, etc. Now next question. Differentiate between internal fertilization and external fertilization. It means internal fertilization और external fertilization को differentiate करना है. So for this you have to draw again two columns. In first column you have to write points for internal fertilization and in second column you have to write points for external fertilization. So first point for internal fertilization. Fertilization that takes place inside the female body is called internal fertilization. Now for external fertilization, fertilization that takes place outside the female body is called external fertilization. Now second point for internal fertilization, it is a very reliable method of fertilization. For external fertilization, it is a less reliable method of fertilization. Now third point for internal fertilization, this is observed in human beings and other animals such as hens, cows and dogs. For external fertilization, it is very common in aquatic animals such as fish, starfish, frog, etc. Now next and last question. Question number 10. Complete the crossword puzzle using the hints given below. इस तरह का क्रॉसवर्ड पजल दिया हुआ है, कुछ अल्फाबेट्स बीच बीच में लिखे हुए हैं, ओके? और इस अल्फाबेट्स को देख करके आपको क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है. और इस पे 4 अक्रॉस के क्वेश्चन है और 4 डाउन के क्वेश्चन है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर अक्रॉस इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ द फ्यूजन ऑफ द गैमेट्स. आंसर, फर्टिलाइजेशन. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, द टाइप ऑफ फर्टिलाइजेशन इन hen. आंसर, इंटरनल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द टर्म used for bulges observed on the side of the body of Hydra. Answer, birds. Next question, eggs are produced here. Answer, ovary. Now for down, first question, sperms are produced in these male reproductive organs. Answer, testes. Next question, another term for in vitro fertilization. Answer, zygote. Next question, these animals lay eggs. Answer, oviparous. And last question, a type of fission in amoeba. Answer, binary. That's it. यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा और आगे के वीडियोस को देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा.